Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Pooh and Piglet from Winnie the Pooh. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Pooh Bear, starting with his eyes. Then draw his nose and his little eyebrows. I continue to draw his smiling mouth and his head. Draw his two ears like this. Then I draw his blazer and his hands. Next to Pooh, I draw Piglet, starting with Piglet's eyes. Then draw a nose, a smiling mouth, and little eyebrows. Then I draw two big ears like this. Finally, I draw Piglet's hands. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I use red to paint Pooh's mouth and his blazer. Then I color his skin yellow. Piglet's nose and ears, I use pink to paint. And color Piglet's skin with cream like this. Okay, our drawing is almost completed. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!